Welcome to my channel. I am doing a Christmas look, big surprise. It's a little gift for you. I had fun doing this look, so I'm gonna list all the products below in the description. Let's get started. You like that? I can't see you. Can you see me? This guy. That guy is amazing. I'm trying to showcase him, but he's for. Have I been naughty or have I been nice? Alright, so I have a vision in my mind. It is a red eye on top, on the eyelid, green underneath, and red lips. So let's get into this, baby. I'm keeping him back there. Whether y'all like him or not, he's just gonna be chilling there. Alright, so far I have concealer on my eyelid, a little bit of an eyeliner, a little bit of brow pencil. Gonna make this easy for you guys so that way you don't have to go through all that. And I have some concealer underneath my eye, color correction on the top of my lip, and a little bit of gloss on my lips so they don't look tiny to start off. So let's get going. I'm going to start with a red liner on top of my eyelid so that way the red sticks to it. I'm using this one. I'm not sure what this is from, but it works really well. All right, I'm gonna fix that. No cause for concern. Just patting that in. Almost has the consistency of a liner / lipstick. So there's a few eye palettes I'm using. I picked up this from Target. It's the Eyes on the Prize Trio. I saw it in the aisles. It's pretty. The specific eye palette I'm taking out of here, it's an eye and face palette actually, is these two. And the other one. So I'm going to be using some colors out of these. And then I'm returning to my Profusion Cosmetics Kaleidoscope palette. So on top of this liner, I'm going to put Heat Wave, and then from there I may go ahead and dip into Empire. And if I'm still not satisfied, I'm going to use the bold eyeshadow palette. There's no name for it, it just says it's made in China. I'm gonna go ahead and build up Heat Wave on top of my eyelid. Doesn't have to be perfect because I'm correcting as I go. Now I'm taking Empire, I'm gonna put that in the crease. Now I ordered some new brushes, but they haven't came in yet. I am very excited to get them. Another little scar that popped up right there, so if it looks a little crazy, that's something that's healing up. Now I'm taking a white eyeliner, which I've used multiple times. You guys are probably familiar with this if you've been watching my stuff. I'm just gonna take that into this area underneath my brow. Now taking Spangle from the Profusion Cosmetics palette, and I put that on top of the white eyeliner. It has a little bit of creaminess, whereas like it's not just a blatant white. Go into this knowing that red just gets everywhere. Now I'm just tapping the red and the white together so that way I blend it. I don't want to get too crazy because I know that red's going to travel and mess up the effect of the white. I'm going to stop there and then work on my bottom lash line. I'm taking Wet n Wild Color Icon Multi-Stick and the shade is Green on Me. I'm going to put that underneath my lower lash line. Now taking it on the other eye, same process. I'm going to clean this and put it inside my waterline. And I still have black eyeliner in my waterline, and that's okay because it just makes the green darker. It's always important to be very clean with your makeup. I'm gonna take Supercut from the Profusion Cosmetics palette, and I may dabble into this shade right here, and that is called Intention. So those two. And I'm gonna put it right on top of that green liner. So first Supercut. Okay, and now I'm gonna take this eyeliner. It is a LA Colors Neon Gel eyeliner, and the shade is Manic. And I'm gonna put that underneath the Wet n Wild Green on Me. Now taking Intention and putting that on top of the Neon Gel eyeliner. That's what we're working with so far. Now taking a makeup wipe and cleaning the edges. Now I'm gonna come back to the eyes. I'm gonna go ahead and do my face and taking my Fit Me, and my shade is Natural Ivory. Now taking a wet beauty blender and we'll blend that out. Now you could do concealer. I'm gonna skip on it because I have yet to find a good concealer that's not my primer for my eyes. Now taking MAC Studio Fix and we'll set my face. Now from the eyes on the Prize Trio set, I'm gonna dig into the neutral eyeshadow palette and pull out this contour right here. I'm gonna give it a try for this look. I'm sure it'll be fine. Just sculpting my face the way I like. And you could do yours according to how you want your face to be shaped. Now I picked up Wet n Wild Mega Glow Halo Blush Lighter in Highlight Bling, and I will be taking this and using it as blush. Taking this, and then we'll use this side as highlight. I'm going to use this as my blush. And putting that above the contour. This is the first time I use it. It's okay. I think I'm going to go ahead and use my Faithful Pink Swoon on top of it because the shininess in the color is pulling up some texture on my face. And I cannot wait till I get my brushes. That's good for now. I'm going to take some of my Mega Glow contour palette. I'm just going to use this side right here, add in some more highlight. Not highlighter, but highlight. Not doing too much, just enough. Now I'm going to take this side right here and add it as my highlighter above my blush and on top of my eyebrows. This is a much prettier color than the other one, in my opinion. Okay, so now I'm going to set my face. Then I will return to my eyes. Where's my spray? Oh my gosh, how can I lose stuff when everything's so close to me? Oh, here it is. This happens every time. Okay, I'm gonna work on my lips while that's drying. I'm gonna take Brick, it's a lip pencil from MAC, swatch it for you, and start my lip liner. I'm gonna feather it, but first I'm gonna fill in my lips with this lip liner. So pretty, I love this brick color. It's as good as the liner is gonna get. Now taking Russian Red from MAC. It is low, so you don't get to see inside. And I will add that on top of this brick lip pencil. Now I'm gonna go ahead and finish the eyebrows. I'm just taking my black eyeliner for this. You can use a brow pencil, whatever you feel. And I'm filling it in because I may go back in with some red. We'll see. Now we're gonna line my eyes with some black eyeliner. I have more to go on the eyes, but we're gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes. Now taking Slash Paradise and Sky High. If I can get this good. I'm gonna do this off camera so you guys don't have to sit through me doing this every 5 seconds. Okay, so I put mascara on top and bottom. I also went in with this color right here and added a little bit of a crease color. Just kind of use a detail brush and give a little bit more definition. I want to go ahead and add some glitter. I'm going to take the red that I mentioned earlier out of this palette right here and add that on top of the eyelid. Now it's going to be a little tricky. If you want to do that beforehand, you can tap it on. Not doing too much though. I'm going to take Stardust from this Profusion Cosmetics palette. I'm going to add that on my eyelid just a little bit and see how I like it right here. Of course, always be cautious with glitter and know that it isn't supposed to be into your eyes. You can add the glitter wherever you want. Okay, so I added the glitter along my eyeliner. The only thing is it is transferring onto the crease, so keep that in mind. I'm gonna take this that I picked up during Halloween, LA Colors Holographic Lip Gloss Shimmer and Shine, and it's in Eerie Sistable, cute. And I'm gonna put that on top of the lipstick. Now taking some red lip liner and I'm putting that in my eyebrows, just on the sides. You can skip this step if you want. I just love red. I think I'm gonna go in. I'm gonna add a little bit more highlight here. This didn't provide as much highlight as I wanted. So this is the finished look, Christmas. So this is the look with blue eyes. As you can see, I've straightened my hair. I have a bigger jacket on because I'm freezing. And I hope you liked this Christmas makeup look. And don't forget to have fun with colors. A little green, a little red ain't gonna hurt nobody. You don't have to be perfect, just, you know, try your best and keep trying. So if you liked this look, go ahead and give me a like, subscribe using your pinky, your pointer, or your thumb and show me some love. Oh, that's cute. That's cute. Yeah, that's cute. Okay. and comment below. Let me know if you've done any recreations of any Christmas looks, and if you have any unique makeup looks from Christmas, go ahead and share some stories below. I'd love to read them. And together, let's spread the joy of beauty and make it a December to remember. Oh, that's cute. That's cute too. Thank you for joining me and wishing you all a joyful, glamorous Christmas. Oh no, it's still going. That's not good.